Hi everybody. Welcome to my review for your guys's Young Artist Showcase. Young Artist Showcase challenges. I'm Adam Blake, and yeah, this is gonna be sort of like an unfiltered. Sorry, I'm just moving things around on my computer screen so I can just have them to look at. Basically, all my notes of like what everything. All my thoughts and all that stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and review these pieces. This is sort of my layout of how I'm gonna do this review. I'm gonna do this review as first I'm gonna start off with just the overall impression of the piece, and then I'm going to go ahead and give the scores. How I viewed the pieces, I watched them once for my initial sort of reaction and my initial thoughts and feelings on it, and then from there I sort of gave out the scores through the scoring critique or scoring criteria, and then from there I watched it a second time to just sort of validate what my initial thoughts were, and I changed around to some things upon second viewing, and then I also wrote down some notes. One of the biggest things that I'm looking for was the as it pertains to the challenge. Like, so we have the scoring criteria, and one thing that I wanted to make sure was that along with the wording of the scoring criteria was as it pertains to the context of the challenge, which was the prop, which was using it. So I oftentimes use the question of would the piece have worked without the prop? And if it was a no, the piece is reliant on the prop, that means that the prop was used, that it was utilized to its entirety, that the prop was the hero of the piece. If it didn't need the prop, that's when you sort of ran into a little bit of trouble, and to where it kind of didn't really hit the whole message of what the piece is. So we're just going to dive into it. So again, piece review and scores, and and up here is going to be some of your pieces, like if I'm talking about specific sections.